here at the doctor with Lily because her not feeling good. Her has 102.5 fever. She got Mama's shirt wet. Reese is watching YouTube. I haven't vlogged this morning because we've been very busy. Reese went to the doctor and we are now at the doctor with Lily because they were worried and they told us to bring her on in as soon as possible. Do you want me to get you another one? Here you go.
Mama, she's looking for you.
What's my pretty girl doing?
I turn around so you can see it.
Her not feeling good.
Alright, Miss Lillian.
We are out of the doctor. The doctor said that Lily has a cold and that if she shows any more symptoms that we need to bring her in and to keep Tylenol down her to keep the fever away. We are on our way to get something to eat because Reese is very hungry. Reese, what do you got? A tone? You got your phone? And Sissy's back there. Mama drove us because, as you can see, the roads are bad and we have lots of snow. Okay guys, so for some reason my camera's not working. I just turned it on. It is charged, so my phone it is until I can try to get the camera working. I sucked her out with this aspirator that I got from my sister. Lisa was awake. And sorry about all these clothes over here. That is still from this weekend. I have not did a whole lot because, as you can see, I've had 2 sick kids. He has an ear infection in his other ear now. Lily, they say, has a cold, but she has 102.5 fever and a runny nose, a real bad cough. She can barely eat and everything, and she's horrible. I just gave her some Tylenol. And like I said, I haven't did a whole lot. We just woke up from a nap. And that's about it. Daddy had to stay over and clear some school parking lots. And we are going to Mama's to eat some spaghetti tonight. Say hi.
Hi.
How are you? Say how are you? You're silly.
Hi.
Say we're going to Mama's.
In the mama, I eat that name.
Yeah, we're going to Mama's house and eat. Say Daddy is not home.
Daddy's at home.
Where is he? Where's Daddy?
And
Work.
talk.
So Daddy's at work.
Hi, it's talk.
Yeah.
Oh.
Lily's laying over here. She slept in the bed with me, but I laid her down here so I could go to the bathroom and stuff. But oh bless you, girlie. Oh bless you. She sounds a lot better after I sucked her out, though. And she can actually suck her pacifier if she wanted it, but she don't really want it. You can hear that snotty nose. Yes, you can. I haven't showed you guys their outfits today. Look, let me see your outfit. He's got this shirt on, he has blue jeans and socks, and he wore his rain boots out because it is very snowy, well, a lot of snow outside. This is what she's wearing with a gray shirt underneath, these gray striped pants, and little pink socks, and she had little pink shoes on earlier. And her had a little hat on. Yes, yes it did. How is Mama pretty girl? When I do vlogs, it makes her look like she's huge, but she's not really. At the doctor today with her outfit on and everything, she was just 11. Are you trying to get out? Are you trying to get out? Oh, the door's locked? Oh, okay.
Oh, door. I can't me.
What's on you? This is the reason why we had to put a lock, one of them child locks on the back of his door, because whenever he goes to sleep, he would always wake up and come in here and scare us. So, we put a lock on the back of his door.
Is she cool?
He loves his sissy.
I don't he's still doing it. Okay, see me. Hi, see me? That is good. Can you see my mom? Papa, bye. Good day. Can you see that? Good day. Oh, see,
Yeah, just laughing at you.
He's really mean. Hold me here. She hold me here.
Aw, did she hold your hand?
No,
Her loves you.
hey, she's happening. She
Uh-huh.
hold me. Good.
Can you give her kisses? Here. Sissy's like, help me, Mommy, help me.
Here. So do it. Oh, what hit me? And right to here. I'll go. And hold me. Hold here. And hold here. And hold. See. Look. And says. Here. And says. Here. And says. Here.
She don't want it, baby. Thank you, though.
Uh-oh, it's a red pool. See, I heard that. But see,
Are you ready to go to Mama's?
no.
I think I'm going to go ahead and end the vlog here because... Oh no, your sock came off. That's okay. Oh, what's the baby doing? Like I said, I'm going to go ahead and end the vlog here because we have a long night. We're going to go over to Mama's and eat. And then I don't know when Ryan will be home. Plus the kids are sick. And I just want to tend to them. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more, please subscribe. Thank you.